everyone. I just wanted to reach out and do a quick video to say hello, as well as just a video to kind of show you guys how to get to Canvas before we start our online learning. Next week, the week of April 6th, is going to be kind of the soft rollout for the online learning. And as part of that week, I want you guys to make sure that you can access Canvas, and so I have a student survey that I have set up on Canvas for you guys just to basically let me know that you know how to get there and that you have access to it and that everything is working properly. So this video is going to be more of a walkthrough of how to get to Canvas, how to make sure that you are accessing CD Schools Canvas and not any other Canvas. I don't know if you can see my really cute new coworker here. We'll see how long she stays up here for this video. But what you can see on my screen right now then is CD's, oh, hello, say hi, Sasha. What you can see is the cdschools.org webpage. So you'll go to cdschools.org and then you're going to access the student link over here. This is just one way to get to the Canvas. Go down through applications. You're going to click Canvas and it's going to bring you here to this login page. And so you'll put in just your username, your password. If your password expired or your password's not working for you and you need a reset, please reach out to me, please email me and I can do that for you. I'll send you an email back walking through how to reset your password so that you can make sure that you can access Canvas. So once you type in your username and your password, it's going to take you directly to a dashboard. So this is what my dashboard looks like. Yours is going to look different. You are automatically enrolled in the CP Pre-Calculus course. And so you'll click your CP Pre-Calculus course. And right now, the only module that you're going to be able to see is this online learning information module. That's what I want you guys to do next week to look through the week of April 6th. So it's available now. So sometime between now and April 7th, I want you guys to look at this module. This module is a prerequisite for the rest of the modules in the course, so you will need to do this. Now, if you had been looking at Canvas earlier in the year, I had a whole bunch of modules already in there. For convenience and to eliminate any confusion, I went ahead and deleted those modules. So you will only be seeing the online learning module as well as the modules that we'll be using for the rest of the year. You can still access any old files in the files page, but you shouldn't need to do that. So on this module, you will find the course syllabus and outline. So let's just look at that quick. There's also a link to this in the email that this video is in. So on the syllabus and outline, you'll find my contact information, important contact information for CDHS, my office hours, which are going to be via Zoom, and there's more information about that on my contact information page that I'll show you guys, as well as the course structure. So let's go through the course structure quick. For each lesson, I'm going to make a screencast of me going through the notes and the examples for that lesson. Each lesson PowerPoint will also be posted as a PDF version for you to look through prior to the screencast or even after the screencast. It'll be there for your convenience. As you go through the screencast, I strongly recommend that you take notes just as you would if you were in class with me. These notes will then help you complete the assignments that will be with each lessons, as well as get ready for the quizzes and the tests. So for each lesson, there will also be a WebAssign assignment, just like you guys had before. These will count as classwork homework points, and you will have multiple attempts as you did in the past. There will also be WebAssigns or Canvas assignments that will count as either quizzes and tests. For these, you will not have multiple tests, and some of them may be timed. So you need to make sure that you are ready for every quiz and test just like you were taking it in class. Okay, so that's kind of how the course is going to be structured. Also on this page, you'll find a tentative course outline of what we're going to be doing for the rest of the year. So this first week, April 6th, you're going to see all I want you to do is submit the student survey and work through looking at the items on that online learning information module. And then you can kind of see what I anticipate for the rest of this year. Now this outline is subject to change as we go through stuff depending on how the information goes. And you can see the due dates for each of these, which are always going to be by midnight, 11:59 p.m. on Friday nights. Okay. I also detailed what type of grade these are going to be. So the WebAssign assignments will typically be homework, classwork grade, and then you'll see some assessment grades and some quiz grades in there. So this, like I said, subject to change. I'll probably be like editing it some throughout the course, and it will change for you guys. So you can always check back and reference that there. So that is the outline. Let's go back to the modules. You can also view the course expectations, basically just rules. That's just a page you'll view. My contact information and more detailed information about the Zoom office hours that I will be holding is in that page. That school services contact information is on that page as well. And then this is what's really important. This is the student survey that I need you guys to complete by April 7th. This student survey, it's just a Google form, couple quick questions, just telling me that like, yes, I was able to access Canvas, and then like the accessibility that you have there. So please do that by April 7th so I can communicate properly for the needs that we have to admin and let them know anything. You got to make sure you do this, you view this, make sure you get to Canvas no later than sometime next week, because April 13th, that's when assignments are going to start. So sometime next week I will release like this Unit 9 module, and that's where we're going to start our lessons, and you'll see the assignments. I'll probably put links to the WebAssign assignments, so you'll see them on WebAssign and you'll see them on here. This is where really the main course will be. And of course, if you have any questions, please email me. I'm constantly checking my email throughout the school day hours, and typically I check it a few times in the evening too. So please email me. I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. And just keep in mind, please be flexible. This is definitely new for me, new for you guys too. So please be flexible, please be patient as we all try to navigate this, and email me any questions that you have. Thanks.